First of all, I recommend a solar power if you're living off the grid. You cannot rely on electricity. If you are raising animals, I would choose animals that don't depend on power too much, because especially for poultry, you'll need incubators and such. There are incubators these days that are solar powered. However, you will want to have animals that can reproduce naturally without intervention. So heritage breeds are a good one. You don't want to have too many commercial breeds, as with commercial, it depends on more modern technology. So pick chickens that have the natural instincts of broodiness by taking care of their young and incubating, so you don't have to have an incubator, and obtain livestock that during winter months they are cold tolerant. During the hot months you don't have any fans or such, because you don't have electricity unless you have solar. For the agriculture standpoint, it is pretty hard to live off the grid without some form of power. However, it is doable.